unboxing to share with you. I know it's been a while since I've done one of these, but they don't seem to get too many views, so I quit doing them for a little while we moved and got things arranged and things like that. But I'm going to go ahead and start filming them again, so hopefully there's some of you out there that do actually watch these. Birchbox is a $10 a month subscription, and you get it in a little gift box each month, and they are sample sizes, but it's only $10 a month. So it's something that I'm keeping for now, but I'm hoping that they go along with what everyone else seems to be doing and upgrade to where we can get full sizes, because I definitely prefer full sizes. But for now I'm going to keep it because I do like things they send. It's different than a lot of the other boxes. So let's go ahead and see what we got in February's box. Here's what the box looks like. Cute with the little hearts on it for Valentine's Day. It says, "Congrats on your 100th box. You're the best. We're spreading the love this month and every month. Thank you for making Birchbox what it is today." So much must be their 100th box that they've sent out since they've started Birchbox, which is cool. The first item I got in here is Glove Original Quick Treat Fast Makeup Correction Tip. Just add water. It says it's a full size, retails for $3.99. It says, slide this mini microfiber glove onto your finger to remove or touch up your lipstick or eyeshadow. It works with just water. Simply wet the glove and target a specific area. Well, that's something different. I've never seen one of these before. Let's open it up here. Oh, it feels like a towel on the outside. I'm going to put it on my finger. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Okay. I don't know. I'm guessing that you wouldn't want to have other makeup on because it is, you know, pretty large to go in and, like they said, clean up lipstick. If I did that, I'd wipe away the foundation and everything around my mouth too. But I'm guessing, like, if you do your eyeshadow first like me before you have foundation and you need to clean something up, that would be really nice. So I'll give that a try and see how it works. And then next we have, by the way, their leave-in conditioner, which I'm very excited to try. I've been using one by Briogeo that we got in BoxyCharm, and it works great. So I'm excited to try one by the way. They're a really good brand. It says the retail of the full size is $26. It says this mist does it all. It smooths, softens, protects, and detangles strands for all-day moisture. Spray on to damp hair before brushing and heat styling. Then we have by Comfort Zone their Hydra Memory Cream Gel 24-hour double hydration cream gel. Never heard of this brand, but I could definitely use double hydration. It's that time of the year where my skin is so dry. It says the full size of that is $64. Wow, that's an expensive moisturizer. So hopefully it works well. It says this formula has the light gel-like texture of sherbet, but it's still a heavy hitter. It packs hyaluronic acid and moringa oil to offer serious hydration without greasiness. I'll definitely be giving that a go. And then next we have by Duce or Duce, I never can say this name right, but we get it a lot in Birchbox. It's a luscious lip stain and holiday getaway. It says the full size is $28. This pigmented peach lip stain dries fast, so it won't transfer onto anything, and its matte finish lasts for hours. Wow, that's some big claims. Let's do a quick swatch here. It's just your regular doe foot, nothing special. That is a nice color, especially for spring. The shade there. Definitely up my alley. And then the last thing that I got is by Proenza Schlor. I may not be saying that right. I'm sure I'm butchering it. It's their Arizona perfume. It says the full size is $100. I don't know about you guys, but I don't really like getting perfume samples in my boxes. I mean, usually I don't like them. I think I've liked maybe one out of the many I've gotten. Let's see. instead of spraying it on me, since I'm probably not gonna like it, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it on the card here. Yeah, it's not one of the smells I like. It smells kind of like a cologne mixed with flowers, and no, I just don't like those. They give me a headache after smelling them for so long, so putting them on and wearing them through the day is just a no-go for me. And it says, channel an adventurous attitude with this crisp concoction of white cactus flower, jasmine, and orange flower that's suitable for spritzing year-round. So I'll be giving that away to someone who might enjoy the scent, which I do with all of those samples. And that was all I got in the February Birchbox, guys. I will have a link in the description box below if you're interested in giving it a try. Like I said, it is only $10 a month, and we get some nice things out of it. I like it more because we get things that we don't get in other boxes a lot. Like, you know, things like this, we don't seem to get these in other boxes, you know, something different, which I do enjoy. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe before you leave. Thank you for watching. Bye.